This is the final product. Just measure my locks too. You will not believe how long these babies are. So, a little something for the people. What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom one more again, and I just washed my locks. I know it looks like I have no hair under here. I look like a nun. I look like Sister Mary Clarence right now is what I look like anyway. We are 4 years and 9 months into the lock journey. I can't believe we're already here. I just washed my locks, so I just wanted to show y'all how long they are. Let me see if I got to step back a little. Get it all in the frame. This hair is long, y'all. The hair is long. Wait, hold on a sec. Before we continue, let me put some lip balm. Oh, that's a little bit too, never too much, never too much, never too much. That's all right? Okay, cool. First off, how am I doing? How are y'all doing out there in TV? Oh, locks are so long. As you can see, I did a cool little haircut. I'm like going all over the place with this video right now, but you see I have a cool little haircut. So, kind of vibing off of like Francois Saga, if you guys know who that is, or Saget, I'm not sure how you say his last name. And then also kind of some like M'Baku, you know, man-ape from Black Panther vibes. So it's a lot of things going on right now. But yeah, just washed my hair. It is now longer than you can't even see. I can't even put it in the frame. Last time we were at, what were we at? 15.9, so yeah, but this is what my hair looks like right now. It's pretty awesome. I like it. Oh, so okay. So what I was gonna ask if I got digressed from my digression is, and you probably saw the photos on my Instagram if you have not checked out my in the future, past tense, yes. Check out my Instagram, it's Justin Locs, and you can see some photos that I took from the Shutterfest conference, convention, whatever you want to call it. It was last week in St. Louis, or about 2 weeks ago, I guess, when you watched this video. It was some time back, but it was cool. It was fun. I did a total of 10 different photo shoots in less than 48 hours. It was very challenging, like time management wise, and bringing all of your different outfits everywhere you were going, and having to like change at venues or from venues on your way to venues, and it was very interesting, but it was very cool. I learned a lot, made some good connections, and hopefully some connections that will foster even more creative opportunities in the future. That's the plan anyway, so we'll see how that goes. But anyway, on to this length check. Oh my gosh, my hair is so damn long. All right, well, for those who don't know how this operates, why don't you tell them how it goes? Thank you. I don't know why I'm so animated right now. Okay, so I'm gonna measure 6 parts of my scalp. So I'm gonna measure the front, the right, the left, the back right, the back left, and right there in the middle. Average all that up, and I will let you guys know how long my hair is now, how long it was 3 months ago, and how long it's grown in the last year. So let's get into this link check for the 9th time. So the right side. Wait a minute, before we, I don't know why I'm acting like I've never done this before, but let me just oil up a little bit. If you want to know what I'm using right now, I made a video about the type of oils I use in my hair. Let's do this one. Why not? He looks cool. I always do this thing where I have to like pinpoint which ones I want to use and which ones I do not want to use. Bitch. No. Hold the mother freaking phone. Y'all, this lock is 17.5 inches. I can't even get the full thing in the frame. There you go. Oh my goodness. 17.5? Well, that was the right side. Let's do the front. I was supposed to do the front first, but oh my gosh. Let's just do this very front one because he looks long too. I am a little bit scared. My hair is also damp. Let's remember that too. My hair is damp, so it's stretched right now because of the weight of the water and all that. Because this lock is at 17.25. 16.25, not 17, 16.25. I gotta read rings right. Left hand side. We're gonna make a hard left over here. Y'all see these roots, right? If anybody wants to come up to Kansas and retwist them for me, that would be great. I would do it myself, but it's time consuming. I won't have time to do this until after school's up, so probably not for another 4 more weeks. So 17 inches. Oh my Lord. Yes, hair growth. Yes. All right, back right. I'm loving these results, y'all. Hold on. Let's go with this guy. This guy seems, he look cool to me. I can find where it goes, where it meets. There it is, the root to the scalp. 18 inches. Shut up, y'all. This is ridiculous. 18 inches! Like, are you kidding me right now? I'm done. I'm not even done measuring, but I'm done. I'm good. I think from now on, also, we're gonna measure after we've washed our hair. Just for continuity going forward for, like, you know, when I get to 5 years. I mean, I'm 3 months away from 5 years of growing my locks, so, okay. Back left, we'll go with this guy. And this one is 16 and a half. And then right in the middle, where it go? This one is 17 inches. Wow, these numbers are crazy. It ain't crazy, but wow, I'm just shocked. I'm shocked right now. Okay, so let's add all this up and figure out what we got here. All right, so these are the final numbers. So last time we did a length check, we was at 15.91 or 92, whatever. A year ago, we were at 13 and a half. Today, we're at 17 inches. So that is 1.13 inches of growth in 3 months and 3.5 inches of growth in a whole year. I'm not mad at them numbers at all. Dang, oh my God, okay. A year ago so 2 years ago from this video, the length was about 10 point something. So I'm averaging about 3 to 3.5 inches of growth a year with my locks. Now, mind you, with locks, since the hair is curly and coiled up and locked together, even this being 17 inches isn't my hair's true length. So there's that too, but just taking into account everything is like, whoa, what? I can't. So we're on track to get 36 inches of locks by the time we get to year 10. It's a lot of locks, it's a lot of patience too. But okay, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I forget what's the next thing. I haven't done this in such a long time. It's been like 3 weeks since the last video. I'm just so tired, y'all, right now. School, let me just digress for one more again. School, I should not be getting senioritis. I'm only in my first year of grad school. Like, I still have a whole nother year after that. I'm almost just halfway done. Like, what? Anyway, hit me up on any other type of social media if you want to do that. I'm on Instagram mostly and Snapchat, so if you got any questions, hit me up there or in the YouTube comment section right there. If you got a question or a comment, leave it there where my finger's aggressively pointing to, okay? You can do that too. And last thing, subscribe. Keep coming back. I mean, you ain't hit the subscribe button. Y'all know what you're doing. Sounds like you're stalking. That's what it sounds like to me, but who are I to judge? One more thing too. I think we're finally, at least in the Midwest, have survived the 3rd winter. I think we're officially in spring. Spring has sprung, if you will. And that being said, okay, this is a PSA for everybody. This isn't even to my melanated friends out there in the internet, but like our less melanated, complected people, friends, brothers and sisters. I know the weather's getting nice outside. I know it's getting hot. I feel it too. A little sweat on your upper lip in the middle of the day. It gets to about maybe upper 70s, maybe even got to the 80s where you at. But that does not mean you have to go straight to your shortest shorts and your smallest tank tops and your tightest shirts because the weather got a little bit warm. Okay? And moreover than that, everybody ain't for every type of clothing item, okay? You may think you can fit it or you can wear it. That's a fool that will think that, okay? I can't wear everything. Just govern yourselves accordingly and remember that lotion, you know, CeraVe, Eucerin, some cocoa butter, some St. Ives, some lotion, some shea butter, even some Vaseline. Just take some water and splash your elbows. Because we don't need to be seeing no cracked feet, no ashy elbows. You know what I'm saying? It ain't good for nobody. You know what I'm saying? So do yourself a favor and do us a favor too. You know, I don't want to have to look at that. 27 years on this earth, you think people will learn how to use lotion by now? Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry. All right, so that's the video. That's the link check. We're over the 17-inch mark. We got bundles, yo. We got bundles. We just got bundles of hair right now. So on that note, I'm gonna leave it up to this last video right up there. The playlist as well of other dreadlock videos. I'm not even sure what's gonna be there at this point. And the subscribe icon, which is right there. So until next time, not sure what it's gonna be. And I will see y'all when I see y'all, right? Keep it locked.